So we're back working on this now. The fuselage is pretty much glassed, but I'm doing some patchwork where I thought the structure isn't completely strong yet. I got a little crack out here while sanding, so I'm covering that up with an extra layer of glass. There's some places I've missed all the edges, I guess. So we're gonna do some patchwork out here too. Basically wherever I need extra strengthening, even on the left cons. So I just glued this, but I did not cover it with glass. So I'm covering this section and this side, and the rest of it I'm just gonna coat with one layer of epoxy. And then this section is yet to be glassed. The bottom of this area has been glassed, but I haven't glassed this side. I've glassed up to here. So this patch, just like this, that's gonna come here. This is the patch. And this big section sits across the fuse out here. If you can look, it's glassed only up to here, so I'm just giving it some extra strength, considering the canopy lock comes here, and it should help. Here where the electronics bay and the batteries and everything sits, I'm adding some 100 GSM fiberglass, which should give it ample strength. There will be a battery holder also on top, printed out of PLA ST. So I guess the glassing will help, because this on a large on a heavy landing, like a hard landing, this could disintegrate, like it could break. So glassing with 100 GSM will be necessary, because two batteries, probably 700 grams each. So yup, let's see how it goes.